Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Wise app and you will click. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Wise. Wise app like this. And then you will update your app if you find updates. So that's all. Don't forget